I expect ASEAN growth this year to remain positive. In terms of number, ASEAN 6 I expect it to grow 5.1%, which is flat to last year's 5.1%, which is slightly above the long-term average growth rate that we have for this region. I would expect countries where there's good infrastructure programs, for example, Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, to continue to do well in terms of their economic growth. In terms of regional risks, we do have a few elections to monitor, for example, with the Indonesia election and the Thailand election.
We see scope for divergence in performance of Asian currencies in 2019. We think the more equity-linked and growth-driven currencies like Korean won and Taiwan dollar will underperform, while the more domestic demand-driven currencies like Indian rupee and Indonesian rupiah will outperform in 2019. The biggest risk in 2019, in my view, is the gradual withdrawal of liquidity by global central banks. If the Fed continues to tighten its balance sheet size by $50 billion a month, global liquidity conditions are going to tighten further, and that is going to be a drag on performance of EM assets and EM currencies.